Have you ever struggled with Excel and wished there was an easier way to manage your data? If you're dealing with formula cells and want to clear out other data, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to make Excel VBA ignore those formula cells with an if condition. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your VBA code doesn't work as expected. Many users face this issue, and you're not alone. It's a common challenge when working with Excel VBA. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to use an if condition to perform a clear contents task while ignoring cells that contain formulas. They shared 2 attempts at coding this, but both were unsuccessful. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details and find a solution. So, what's the issue here? The user wants to clear the contents of certain cells, but keep the ones that contain formulas intact. This is a common requirement in Excel, and understanding how to differentiate between formula cells and regular data is crucial for effective coding. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help streamline your VBA coding process even further. To begin solving this issue, the user should modify their loop to check if a cell contains a formula. This can be done using the hasFormula property in Excel VBA. Next, the user should ensure that the loop continues until it encounters an empty cell. This means the condition in the loop should remain the same. Now let's put it all together. The user can create a complete code snippet that incorporates these changes. This will allow the code to clear contents only from cells that do not contain formulas. Finally, the user should test the updated code to ensure it works as intended. They can run the macro and check the results in the Excel sheet. Fun fact, did you know that Excel was first released in 1985? It has come a long way since then, evolving into the powerful tool we use today. Just like us, it keeps getting better. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. As an alternative solution, you can use a method that selects all cells containing constant values, which are non-formula cells. This approach is faster than iterating through each cell. You can achieve this with the command cells.specialCells Excel cell type constants 23. Clear contents. If you want to limit the operation to a specific range or selection, simply replace cells with your desired range, like range A1, A100, or selection. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the hasFormula property in your VBA code. They recommend checking if a cell has a formula before deciding to clear its contents. Additionally, they provided a sample subroutine that demonstrates how to use this property. It checks a specific cell and prints whether it contains a formula or not. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always remember to validate your conditions when coding in VBA. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And that's it. You now have a working solution to ignore formula cells in your Excel VBA code. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Excel.